where you live.
Well, happy New Year's Eve around here. Hey, we've got a little snow in the forecast for New Year's Eve, but it won't be enough to really cause some huge issues for us. We've actually got two waves of snow to get through. We've had one that's kind of moving through right now. A lot of it's starting to push eastward and a little bit left in Illinois, but more or less a lull as we get into the evening, and the rest of it is still out here. And this will come through during the overnight, perhaps very, very early morning hours of Tuesday. Now notice there's that wave, but we still have some persistent snow hanging on in our northern counties. That's where the highest totals have been so far today, up to around an inch here from Winamac, Rochester, all the way back to Morocco. A bit of a lull down towards Lafayette, a little light snow, a few flurries around, and a bit of a lull down in our southern counties. But this band here has been sitting for several hours. It's been snowing a lot. So if you're headed down 231 or headed towards Indianapolis, this zone here has had snow falling about an inch an hour for a good hour and a half now. Notice a few snow showers, little bands of snow showers here coming our way from Illinois, but the bulk of this is still west. This all will come through again during the overnight hours. So far, notice the accumulations have been highest actually in our northern counties and southeast of here. We've had up to an inch and a half around Indianapolis, third of an inch around Crawfordsville, third of an inch around Attica, 0.4 measured here at the station, 0.7 Logansport, and again up here in our north we've had close to 1 inch of snow so far. And there's Tippecanoe County, 0.4 up towards the northwest side, but once you get towards Stockwell and Rossville, a little less than that. In the meantime, though, temperatures kind of hovering around freezing. We had a high of 36 today, so the snow had some trouble sticking at first. 32 at the station, 32 Attica, 33 at Crawfordsville. Winds gusting as high as 20 miles an hour, but the winds will start to crank up a little more later on tonight. So snow tapering later on tonight, generally 1 to 3, but there may be some isolated plus 3-inch amounts in our southern counties, followed by the coldest air of the season. Wind chills dropping tonight. The temperature is dropping too, so be aware of frozen locks and also some icy roads. Check it out, down to 23 by 6 a.m. In fact, we'll head down towards 20, perhaps even 18 degrees by 8 in the morning. And notice the wind chills all the way down to some single digits, and the wind trend is upward. Winds will increase as we head towards the morning, gusts as high as 25 by 6 a.m. There's the snow gradually pulling away with time, and as we go through time tomorrow, slow clearing trend underway. So no snow tomorrow, but you will notice more in the way of sun. This is the next system to watch. That's an Alberta Clipper dropping southeastward. That could bring a little snow our way once we get towards the Friday forecast. Real quickly here, the snowfall totals generally about 1 to 3, but down in our southern counties, there may be a few locations that get over 3 inches of snow. Best bet for that would be near I-74. 7-day forecast, it stays cold. 24 tomorrow, 7 for the low tomorrow night, 24 Wednesday, 25 Thursday, and then perhaps a little fluffy, dry snow on Friday. That may accumulate 1, maybe 2 inches, and then it starts to warm up. 37 by Monday, and boy, by January 9th, 40s, and some rain around here. So warming up.
Yeah. So I thought today's snowfall wasn't sticking all that well.
Yeah, it's taken a while to get it to go. 36 was the high, but now that we're dropping, it'll start to stick as we get into the overnight.